So guys, welcome back to the channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video I'm going to show you about how to isolate a layer in AutoCAD. The most useful job that you can do by using the isolate layer option in AutoCAD is that, let's say, if you want to hatch this walls. Okay, so what will I do is just I will select this line, and I will write the command lay iso. Read the command, sketch the command, write the command down. It is lay iso. That means isolate a layer. So what am I doing is just press enter, and all the objects, all the lines, all the blocks that are in that selected layer will get isolated. So what are we going to do about this is that we are going to hatch this wall, because it will be very easy when there is just walls and the layers are isolated. Now for hatching, I'll just press H enter, and I'll just select the object as I have taught you in my last videos. Uh, if you don't know how to do it, then you can surely go and check it out on my channel. And now I'll teach you how to get back the isolated layer. It is very simple. It is you just have to write lay on, which means turn on the layer, and press enter, and all the other layers will now get on and you will be back to your drawing. So this is very helpful because in many cases it is like that. Many center lines are passing through the walls. Many electrical lines are passing through the wall. So this is a very effective and a very fast way uh, to uh, to do. So that was for the video. I've taught you a new command, that is lay iso. Actually, two new commands, which is lay iso and lay on. How to isolate a layer, and how to turn on the layer back. So that's it for the video. Share it with someone who may need it. I will repeat it: how to isolate, select a line or object or the layer, then write lay iso, and just press enter. And that is it. Your all the layers will be turned off, only the selected layer will be turned on, and then you have to write lay on and press enter. Your all the layers will be back. So that's all for the video. Then thank you for watching, and share it with someone who may need it.